Let me tell you the tale of times past when pirates ruled the open seas. On roaring waves, these intrepid scalawags sailed their creaky ships across the endless blue. Maps faded, hopes high. They chased whispers of glittering treasure hidden on forgotten shores. When the moon was high with no bounty in sight, these feisty scoundrels would gather around a rum barrel table, playing cards and tossing the bones that clattered like cannon shot. As laughter and curses filled the salty air, fortune favored the bold or the very lucky. Shufflebones. Shufflebones is a game for 2 to 4 players. Easy to learn but difficult to master. You must match the cards in your hand to the number on the dice. Should they match, you may discard. If they do not, bad luck has set upon you, and you lose your turn. But beware. If an opponent rolls 2 ones on the bones, they have earned themselves Shufflebones. They will give you 2 cards from their hand, thwarting any plans you may have had to win. Now is your chance to play the newest card game that is taking the pirate world by storm. If you want to experience the excitement for yourself, join our Kickstarter crew today. Shufflebones. Shuffle the cards and roll the bones. If you dare.